How to fix a Facebook story views not showing problem. If you are facing this kind of problem wherein Facebook the story views are not showing, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, check for updates that may be available for the Facebook app. To do that, you can either open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and search for the Facebook app. Now if you see an update option available, then click on the update option to update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open settings on your device. In settings, go to the Wi-Fi option. In Wi-Fi, make sure that you have a good internet connection. Sometimes because of your network issue, the story views are not loading. You can try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that helps. Now go back to your previous page. In your previous page, scroll down and tap on the General option. Now go to iPhone storage and search for the Facebook app. Click on the Facebook app and select Offload app. Again, tap on Offload app from the bottom menu. Now launch the Facebook app on your device. In Facebook, make sure that you are logged in to your account. From the bottom menu, select the three-line icon menu. Here scroll down and select Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the section Audience and Visibility. Under that section, select Stories. Now here you will see the option Who can see your stories. Make sure that it's public or friends. After making these changes, your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.